This is rasayan. Rasayan means that makes you strong. That makes you juicy actually and healthy. So this is banana, and then you put some pepper and some ginger and a lot of wisdom. And a little ghee. The belief in Ayurveda is ghee and honey should not be in equal quantities. If you put 1 scoop of ghee, you have to put 2 scoops of honey, and vice versa. सबको बांटना